It's an organ that's been a symbol for love and emotion for centuries. But scientifically speaking, your heart is one of the most incredible machines ever built. A tireless, fist-sized muscle that beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping blood to every single cell in your body. How does it all work? Let's take a tour inside your body's engine room. At its core, the human heart is a dual pump system with a right side and a left side, separated by a strong wall called the septum. Each side has an upper chamber, the atrium, and a lower chamber, the ventricle. Think of them like four separate, well-choreographed rooms. Let's start with the right side. All the blood that has traveled through your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients, now returns to the heart. This deoxygenated blood, which we'll show as blue for clarity, enters the right atrium from two large veins, the superior and inferior vena cava. Once the right atrium is full, a one-way door, the tricuspid valve opens. The blood flows through it into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle is full, the tricuspid valve snaps shut with a lube sound, preventing any blood from flowing backward. Now, the right ventricle contracts powerfully, pushing the deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary artery. This vessel carries the blood on its crucial journey to the lungs to pick up a fresh supply of oxygen. In the lungs, the blood passes through tiny, thin-walled vessels. Here, a miracle happens. The blood releases its waste product, carbon dioxide, and absorbs a fresh, life-giving supply of oxygen. Our blue blood is now red and ready to be used. This newly oxygenated blood travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins, arriving at the left atrium. From the left atrium, the blood passes through another one-way door, the mitral valve, into the most muscular and powerful chamber of the heart, the left ventricle. The mitral valve closes, creating the second, softer dub sound of the heartbeat. Now for the big finale. The left ventricle contracts with incredible force, sending the oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve and into the aorta, the body's main artery. The aorta branches into smaller arteries, which deliver this vital blood to your brain, muscles, organs, and every other part of your body. But wait, the heart, being the hardest working muscle in the body, needs its own supply of oxygen to keep pumping. It gets this through a network of vessels called the coronary arteries, which branch off directly from the aorta. It's a self-sustaining system. So to recap, the heart's right side collects blood and sends it to the lungs. The left side receives that oxygenated blood and pumps it back out to the entire body. A perfect continuous cycle, keeping you alive with every beat. The next time you feel your heart pounding after a run or notice it calm when you're re-resting, remember this incredible organ is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a powerful, intricate pump that never stops working for you. This rhythm is controlled by your heart's own electrical system. A natural pacemaker, the sinoatrial node, generates an electrical impulse that makes the atria contract. This signal then travels to the atrioventricular node, which sends the impulse to the ventricles, making them contract. This simple but brilliant system ensures your heart beats in a coordinated, life-sustaining rhythm. This incredible journey is just one of many amazing processes happening within us every second. Want to know more about how your body works? Keep watching for more fascinating insights. Now, if you think you know everything about the heart, think again. And here's a special fact just for you. Did you know your heart has its own unique sound? Yep, doctors can diagnose some heart conditions just by listening to that looped-up rhythm. And there are even apps that let you listen to different heartbeats and guess the condition. Maybe you have a gift for it. Your heart is truly an incredible organ, and understanding how it works helps us appreciate the amazing things our bodies can do every day. By learning about your heart and taking care of yourself, you can keep this incredible machine humming for years to come. Our heart pumps blood throughout our body, keeping us alive and healthy. But did you know that certain foods can help support our heart health? That's right. What we eat can make a big difference when it comes to keeping our hearts in tip-top shape. One of the best foods for our hearts is salmon. This type of fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall heart health. Another heart-healthy food is spinach. This leafy green vegetable is packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help keep our hearts strong and healthy. But these are just two examples. There are plenty of other foods that can benefit our hearts. So, what should you add to your diet? It's important to eat a balanced diet full of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all of which can help keep our hearts in good shape. Plus, reducing the amount of salt, sugar, and saturated fat in our diet can also make a big difference. By eating a balanced diet, we can provide our hearts with the fuel they need to keep pumping. A healthy diet isn't the only thing you can do to support your heart health. Regular exercise is also key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can help strengthen your heart and improve overall cardiovascular health. It's also important to maintain a healthy weight, as obesity can put extra strain on your heart. You can also quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption to keep your heart in tip-top shape. By following these tips, you can help ensure that your heart stays strong and healthy for years to come. When we understand how our body works, we're empowered to make positive changes that improve our health and well-being. So keep learning, stay curious, and take charge of your health. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make about yourself and your body?